Coming back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something a little different here. Today we are on the Prelude and we are gonna make it get a little dirty. What I mean by that is we are stripping paint off the Prelude today. I've already got a little bit ahead of myself and got started, had to test out a few things to see what's gonna work and what's not. That way we can kind of get the ball rolling. Also too, gotta charge up the equipment that I'm gonna be using, so that way I can use it, obviously. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to be using. Now I don't have much, but it's gonna get the job done here for me. So what I started out using was my DeWalt, a little sticky pad type thing, and stuck it in my power drill, and that's what was kind of getting the ball rolling here for me. Then my buddy gave me a Ryobi, actual little sander thing, so I wasn't gonna go drop some more money on some more pads, so I was like, alright, let me just slap this thing on here. And honestly, this has been working way better. Let me show you what I mean. So I started back here, and I've been working my way up towards the front. You can kind of see some of the areas where I've been wiping. Just to kind of see what's paint and like clear coat, can't even speak. What's actually paint, what's clear coat, and how deep I'm actually going. So it didn't even look like this paint was even really layered on here, because it's not taking much to really get down to the metal. And the grit I'm using is not even that much. I got like a 120 and a 220, and a 220 is more of like a smoothing one. And then I got some sand blocks to really smooth everything out and level it out before I start primering. But that's what I'm using. Now that you got a little more of a look around the car, kind of see where I'm at, what I'm doing, that's what I got to work with. I'm gonna kind of get it around the car, get everything sanded off. Then I'm gonna wash it up a little bit, see what I need to touch up again, sand everything down, hit it up with a flat block, and then start to touch up the areas where I need to Bondo work, kind of go from there. My goal by this weekend is to get everything sanded, Bondoed, sanded again, make sure it's all ready. That way when I go to primer it, I can just do it at one shot, not have to worry about it. So why don't I go ahead and set this thing up on a little tripod here and get a little action here for you, see what I'm doing and what I gotta go through to get this stuff off. Man, this is some work, but hope you enjoy. So we got most of the hood taken care of, as you can see. I'm loving that little Ryobi tool. That thing came in handy. I haven't even touched the drill anymore. I was like, this is a night and day difference. But I gotta let the battery charge again. You only can do so much at a time on one battery. But what can you do? Anyways, I'm gonna let that charge up. I didn't get to do the whole hood because I still got to take off the hood. A lot of you are going to probably say in the comments, why didn't you take off the hood? Because I didn't feel like it. But I am going to take off the hood because I got to remove the washer fluid spouts. I got to also change the washer fluid line. I don't know if you saw that, but I got the little line sticking up right there. I didn't even notice that. It seems like the line broke, so whatever, gotta change that. Anyways, I'm gonna let this battery charge, hit up some more of this car here we're making some definite progress here. I know that for sure, so that'll be painted off the car. Don't know what I want to paint the car yet. I'd like to go and take the car, see if we can get the original color code. I believe, I'm trying to get in the car here. I believe this might be the color. Yeah, it says color. This might be, no. This says the color. It might be backwards to y'all. If it is, I apologize. But I'm going to see if I could just go take the color in and see if I can go get the paint. Someone to pull up the color from Honda and give me the paint. That'd be awesome if I could just get the original paint color, because I like to just go get it and just have it. That'd be awesome. Update. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like the video. Hit the like button. That's all. You know, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Tune in for the next episodes coming up. Much love to my new subscribers. Thanks for tuning in as well. Peace.